Xiaomi's new flagship was unveiled, the 15T and 15T Pro. They bring high-end displays, powerful chipsets, and capable cameras. This year, the two models are bigger at 6.83-inch display. The 14T had 6.67-inch displays, but they're thinner and have bigger batteries. The 15T Pro is powered by Dimensity 9400 plus chipset, the 2024 replacement of 14T Pro. It's a year-old chipset, but it has many performance what people need. You have 12 GB of LPDDR5X 5X RAM, and you get up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Xiaomi built a 3D ice loop cooling system to improve the sustained performance of the chip. Both phones runs on HyperOS 3 out of the box. The new display 6.83-inch OLED panel is 1.5K resolution, 3200 nits, and has DC dimming for flicker-free brightness control. Both HDR Plus and Dolby Vision are supported, plus Dolby Atmos for stereo speakers. On the Pro, the display is 144 Hz. The main camera is built on the same 50 megapixel light fusion sensor from OmniVision. The new 50 megapixel telephoto camera has a longer 5x 115 mm lens with f3.0 with OIS. This is up from 2.6 60 mm on last year's model. The ultra wide is now 12 megapixel and has a 120 degree of field of view. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel. All three rear cameras can record HDR10+. Additionally, the main camera can do 8K 30 and 4K 120. There's option for 4K 60 in 10-bit log video with LUT support for easy color grading. Both phones have 5500 mAh battery. The Pro gets faster charging than the 15T. Xiaomi says battery will last over 15 hours of constant use. The Pro is slimmer than last year's model with a 6M13 aluminum alloy measuring at 7.96 millimeter, but it weighs the same at 210 grams. The phone is sturdy at IP68 rating. It has advanced connectivity features like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC. The 15T has the same feature but is limited to 1.3 kilometer range. The 15T switches over to the Dimensity 8400 Ultra while packing the 3D loop cooling system. It has up to 512 GB of storage. The display is the same, only thing it's capped at 120 Hz refresh rate. The 15T drops the Sony sensor of the predecessor, replacing it with the Light Fusion 800. Unlike the Pro, this one gets 2x 46mm tele lens with 50 megapixel resolution. There's a 12 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera. It supports HDR Plus at 4K 30 and 10-bit log at 4K 60. The battery is the same capacity as the Pro, but it's slower charging at 67 volts, while the Pro comes with 90 watts. It's said to be 7.5 millimeter thick, but weighs the same at 194 grams. The 15T will be available at 650 euros for the base, while 15T Pro is available at 800 euros for the base model.